Okay. So till now we have seen a class structure. A class inside there are so many members will be there. Variables is the one member. We discussed that. The purpose of variables is for storing the data. The purpose of the variables is storing the data. Storage purpose you will use a variable concept. Now methods are coming. So what is mean by methods? Methods is the another subblock of a class. Class inside another subblock. Variable is a one subblock. Method is another subblock inside the class. Then what is the purpose of a method? To write the business logic. To tell that what action you can perform on the data. What action you can perform on the data. Data you stored in the variable, right? That data you need to use in the method to perform some operations, mathematical operations like addition or subtraction or multiplication or any calculations. If you want to do that operations, you can perform within the method. That the method is mainly used for writing the logic of that class. So each method is independent. Each method is independent. Each method will perform some task. So that is the method purpose. So the logic must be placed inside the method body. Logic means I already told you. The calculation part, the print related statements, calling the methods, creating object, all these are called logical statements. All these you can place inside the method body. So the logical statements such as method calls, calculations, print related statements, object creation, everything you can write under this method body only. Logic you cannot write at a class level. If you write at a class level, it will throw compile time error. But you can write only inside the method body. So the method body syntax, method syntax is access modifier, keyword, return type, method name, parenthesis, curly bracket, and write the logic and close the curly bracket. Every method should start with a curly bracket, must end with a curly bracket. So what you call this? What you call this? So everything let's understand. Again, I'm going to explain each. I explained already access modifiers. I explained about the
Keyboard.
keywords like static, final keywords. I explained. Now I am explaining, even I explained a return type keyword, that is
Void.
void. But I'm going to cover here without return type also. Without void keyword also I will cover here. Method name, how to give, I explained. What is the method
Action.
naming conventions?
Action word. No, all
Action
letters
word
should be
fine.
capital. All letters should be capital. More than one letter. First letter should be
No,
capital.
all letters should be
All
capital.
letters should be lowercase.
Lowercase, if one word is there, all letters should be lowercase.
Lowercase. More than one word. Remaining letter. First letter should be capital.
First letter, first word, all
First word
lowercase.
lowercase.
Second word
Second letter
onwards,
first letter.
each word first letter should be uppercase.
Upper.
So this is the camel case you have to use for the method name and variable names. Camel case means like this, right? So it will move like this. That's a camel case, means lower to upper.
Upper.
So that is the camel case you have to use for the method name, variable names. So what is method prototype? The head portion of the method is called method prototype. The head portion means this one. From access modifier to method name and parenthesis, that portion is called method prototype. So example is, you can see public static void main, string args. That's a one method prototype. So anything you see this portion till this, that is called method prototype. Next, method body and logic. The curly braces reason is called method body. The statements placed inside the method body are called logic. So what are the statements you can place in this method body? Print related statements, calculations, object creation. So all this, so you can place inside the method body. Those are all called logic. So logic means calculation part, variable declaration, local variable declaration.
Print related statements.
So object creation, print related statements, all these are considered as a logical statements. So that is the method body and logic. Anybody having doubt on the method prototype, method body and method logic means?
No, sir. No.
So let's join back because this is the very, very important topic, and join back, we'll discuss on that. Okay.